Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Step by Step. My name is Pratik Devangan. I am doing my Masters in Structural Engineering from IIT Roorkee. I am here to make you aware about the various basic concepts which are related to the structural engineering, and if you are preparing for the government examinations, GATE, engineering services, then this video will be very beneficial for you. So let's begin with the fresh new topic, degree of indeterminacy. Okay, what is indeterminacy? Indeterminacy in a simple words which cannot be determined. In terms of structure in analysis, indeterminacy can be categorized as the static indeterminacy and kinematic indeterminacy. So let us start with the static indeterminacy. Basically, when the structure is in equilibrium, then it has the number of equilibrium equations and also the support reactions and unknown member forces. If you can if you are able to analyze all the support reactions and unknown member forces with the help of this equilibrium equation, then that structure is called as the determinate structure. And if you can't able to find all the unknown reactions and forces, then that is called as the indeterminate structure. And what is degree of static indeterminacy? It is total number of unknown forces and reactions minus total number of available equations. So you must have seen the various formulas to calculate degree of static indeterminacy for 2D beams, frames, for 3D beams, frames and trusses. But these are some of the formulas, but you don't need to remember any of the formulas. Just go to the basics, and whatever the basics you have already known, you can already derive that as. By taking a very simple example of beam, I will make you understand about the degree of static indeterminacy. Let us take a simple crowd cantilever over which a point load is applied. Now, to analyze it completely, we must know all of the member forces and the reactions over the supports. So let us first cut a section in the right side of the point load and another section on the left side of the point load. So now this beam has been divided into three parts. Let us take the right side of the beam. Here the roller support is placed. So one reaction will come from the roller support, and the section from where the beam is cutted, there we will get know that we have three reactions. So one reaction is a shear, another is axial, and third is due to the moment. So giving it some name, let us give name reaction R1 to the roller support and the member forces as R2, R3 and R4. Now जो भी हमारा ये रिएक्शन जनरेट हुआ है राइट साइड ऑफ द बीम में, वही सेम एज इट इज मिडिल पोर्शन के राइट साइड में जनरेट हो जाएगा. So that is already known. So we are again giving the same name as R2, R3 and R4. Now due to the point load which is acting at the center, पॉइंट लोड के जस्ट लेफ्ट साइड में जो सेक्शन है उस सेक्शन में डिफरेंट फोर्सेस जनरेटेड है, तो उसको हम नाम देते हैं R5, R6 एंड R7. सो एंड जस्ट द सेक्शन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड, again the same magnitude forces will be generated. So again giving it name as R5, R6 and R7, and at the last, due to the field support, we know that three forces already come there. So giving it name as a R8, R9 and R10. From all this free body diagram we get total 10 number of unknown forces, and we know that each free body diagram has three equations of equilibrium, that is summation Fx, summation Fy and moment above Z. So total number of equilibrium equation we get is 9. Hence, to calculate degree of static indeterminacy, we just have to subtract total unknown forces minus total available equation. So for this example, we have 10 number of unknown forces and 9 number of available equation. So For this example, degree of static indeterminacy is equal to 1. This is just a brief way for explaining the concept of indeterminacy. We are having another approach to solve this question in exam without using any formulas. अप्रोच सिंपल है, आपको बस हर एक क्वेश्चन में हर एक स्ट्रक्चर में एक जॉइंट कंसिडर करना है। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दिस ब्लॉक कैंटिलीवर के लिए हम देखते हैं तो रोलर सपोर्ट पे जो जॉइंट है वो मेंबर से भी कनेक्टेड है, तो उस जॉइंट पे हमारे पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ अननोन इक्वेशन हो जाएंगे 3 मेंबर के और एक रोलर के, मीन्स 4 अननोन रिएक्शंस हो जाएंगे। एंड जो हमारे पास सेकेंड सपोर्ट है जो कि रिजिड सपोर्ट है, उस सपोर्ट पे हमारे पास 3 एक्स्ट्रा रिएक्शंस होंगे जो कि रिजिड सपोर्ट के होंगे, क्योंकि हमने ये जो मेंबर का फोर्सेस हैं अननोन फोर्सेस वो ऑलरेडी कंसिडर कर लिया रोलर सपोर्ट के द्वारा। सो हमारे पास रोलर सपोर्ट पे अननोन फोर्सेस हो गए 4 एंड रिजिड सपोर्ट पे अननोन फोर्स हो गए 3 एंड एट ईच जॉइंट वी आर हैविंग 3 इक्विलिब्रियम इक्वेशन। So here we are having 2 joints, so total number of equilibrium equations is 6 and total number of unknown forces is 7. So directly degree of static indeterminacy is equal to 7 minus 6, that is 1. मैं इससे रिलेटेड एक और एग्जांपल लेता हूँ जिससे कि आपको ये अप्रोच बहुत क्लियर हो जाएगा। बस आपको यही याद रखना है कि हर एक जॉइंट पे अननोन फोर्सेस फाइंड करने हैं और टोटल नंबर ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम इक्वेशन कितने अवेलेबल हैं ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना है।